My name is John Nichols, Group and Trails Manager at Sun Valley. Today we are flying the concrete. Timberline helicopters and Doppelmayr USA are flying the concrete to each tower location on the lift line behind us. This concrete is going to be used to support all the new towers. And they're flying all the way up to the top of Seattle Ridge, starting at towers 13, about 1 yard at a time. And overall, this whole lift line is going to take just over 100 yards of concrete. Some new features on this new lift, a much bigger area where we're loading. We're going to try and relieve a lot of congestion by having more room. And when you get up to the top, it's going to be a 6-passenger chair, and it's going to be a lot like the Squirrel lift, but it's going to have 6 seats for you. But we've reached a huge milestone today, getting all the concrete poured on the line. And the next thing we're going to be doing is welcoming Timberline helicopters back to fly the new towers and crossarms in. Thanks for following along with our construction so far, and stay tuned for more updates on the Seattle Ridge Lift Enhancement.